Hey everybody, this is your girl Tracy with Tracy's World, and today we have another SoBarRistic drink just for you. Listen, we're still hanging on the summer. That's our theme. I have some watermelon and lime juice and some ice. We're gonna get into it. Stay tuned. First, we have our ice. We're going to get it all crushed up in the blender. You may have to add a little bit of water to your ice so that it will, I'm not sure of your blender, but so that it will mix it up really good. But you want to get it all blended, really crushed. And then we're going to add as much as you want in watermelon. I just filled my measuring cup up to the top. And now we're going to blend that together. You see that? I get so excited, I don't know why, every time I see the color comes through. But we're going to get that blended together. Now we're going to add some lime juice. I am using half cup of lime juice. And I'm sorry that it kind of fades away. We're using a green screen, you know how that goes. Okay, we're going to blend that together. Now we're going to take our watermelon. Now I bought it in wedges, but it is too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and put a little slit in it, and that will be for our garnish. Now we're going to go ahead and pour it up, pour it up. That's my favorite part. That looks good, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and put the wedge of a watermelon on the side. That looks cute just like that, but you know we gotta turn it up a notch. We're gonna add a little more to our garnish. We always gotta do a little extra. We're gonna cut some lime and put a lime wheel right there on the side. But you decorate it the way you want to. You set it up, make it look the way you want it to look. Now that is pretty right there. That's pretty, pretty, pretty. Gonna add that straw there and we're ready to go. So guys, it was that simple. I mean, we use what? Lime juice, watermelon, ice, just a little hint of sweetener if it gets too bitter. That's it. But I'm gonna stop talking because now's the time for us to partake. Cheers. It's sweet and tart, and watermelon is good for you. I mean, it's made up of what, 92% water? I mean, it's good for you. This is so good. This is actually somewhat healthy. Whoa. Yes, guys, this is SoBarRistic. Like, I can drink this pretty much every day. I could drink this every day. I really could. Just trying to see how much I got left because I'll probably be drinking this for the rest of the week. This right here is so good, okay? Watermelon is healthy. I mean, it's 92% water. Something like that. This is really good. So this has been Tracy, your SoBarologist. And I had so much fun today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Listen, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to this channel, and please go ahead and share this video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And for everyone, turn on those notifications so that you know when I post a new video. I will try to post new videos either Tuesday or Thursday, or Tuesday and Thursday, just depending on the week. But if you turn on those notifications, you'll always be aware. You'll always know when I'm going to post a new video, okay? Listen, you guys, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today.